Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Hyundai Elantra brake light. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You'll need a replacement bulb, commonly an 1157 or 7528 type, which you can find at most auto parts stores. A 10mm socket wrench is crucial for removing the tail light assembly. Additionally, a flathead screwdriver might be helpful for prying, and gloves are recommended for handling the new bulb. Now let's get to the tail light. Start by opening your Hyundai Elantra's trunk. Inside, you'll find an access panel or cover. Gently remove this to expose the wiring and mounting hardware. Next, locate the electrical connector attached to the tail light assembly. Pinch the release tab and carefully pull the connector free, ensuring no wires are damaged during this step. With the electrical disconnected, use your 10mm socket wrench to remove the 2 or 3 nuts securing the tail light assembly. Once the nuts are off, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight out from the vehicle. If it's a bit stubborn, a light tap with a rubber mallet can help. Now, twist the bulb holder counterclockwise to release it from the assembly. To replace the bulb, press it down and twist it counterclockwise to remove it from the holder. Insert your new bulb, pressing down and twisting clockwise until it locks securely. Reinstall the bulb holder into the tail light assembly, twisting it clockwise to secure. Then, reattach the tail light assembly, reconnect the electrical connector, and replace the access panel. Finally, test your new brake light to ensure it functions correctly. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.